how to make photos to video in iPhone. If you have got multiple different photos on your iPhone which you'd like to convert to a video, which means to make a slideshow of those, we can achieve this by using the Apple's official app, which is iMovie. Now there are many applications like CapCut, InShot. You can use the free templates even on TikTok itself, but you can also use this particular application. So open the iMovie app, and then what you want to do is simply start a new project. So let me just come back right here, and then let me just close this particular thing. And once I've gone ahead and then basically close this right here, I'll just delete this and I'll start a new project right here. So under start new project, tap on movie. Now you can simply choose the photos that you want to add to this. So go ahead and select the photos or videos and different clips that you have, and once done you can tap on this bottom option that says create movie and tap on it. As you've done that, it will automatically create a movie for you based on all the photos that you've chosen. As you can see, now you can customize the time of each of these photos and when they appear, and you can choose to decrease that particular size as well. And once you've done that, you can add a transition in between those images, and as a result you'll be able to see those multiple transitions as well. This way you can make photos to video in iPhone. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.